5 years as a pulmonologist, and I am finally sharing the little-known secret to stopping a cough fast. Swishing coconut oil in your mouth can help lubricate your throat, reduce irritation, and dry cough. Spicy foods are another unexpected remedy. It can actually clear out the mucus from your chest. Something with a bit of heat helps open the airways. My personal favorite is Healeo's Lung Forte. This lung detox capsule is known for its soothing properties, calming throat irritation, and clear lung congestion. It's like a comforting reset for the throat with every capsule. You can easily find it on their website, healeo.in, for instant relief from any lung issues.